What do you guys think? Very cutesy. Which one for put on?
Yeah, no.
We not just did that a while ago.
Pick a different category.
Listen, if it's new here, welcome back. I am back from, I went to the pool today. I'm gonna say I'm back. I'm gonna take the last sleep I was even at the pool. But of course, I do my workout, I got the pool, do my training and stuff. And I am back home. We're supposed to go outside tonight. So I need to clean up a little and then we can hit the road. As I done do all of that, like I done clean up my background, cause here's the thing, I think I say in here, so I'll just be like, oh, we take out the bed. For now, it's just going to be the office and my little filming area. So I figured let me clear up the background. I might move this to the side so I can have like just a white background, but just let me get stay. Like, not bad on nobody. Not bad on nobody. With that said, my hair need to dry. Come, I say we're up on the road today now. 3:32 and at 6 o'clock. We go there for my ear need for dry. I'm gonna sit around this. I'm gonna post my vlog it for today. So I'm gonna start that now. Well, that mega start now. I did want to record with my phone today because my phone up. I'm telling you something. Anybody telling us say iPhone and Samsung not going with nothing, lie them tell you, because my front camera on this, the two videos them that I recorded sit down, front camera, I'm telling you something, it going with itself. I also have to clear it off, but let me plug it into charge. See if we can get as much of it dry as possible, because I forget the kids and forgot be it soon that, you know, as a matter of fact, once it hit 4 o'clock, I gotta tell them to go bed, and then so when I time to get ready, them just get ready. And then I'm gonna wear them dress up clothes, because they're not going away, so make them wear them clothes and dress up and go on. I'm still gonna dry my hair now and try to edit a vlog here real quick. Okay, so we're supposed to be getting ready to go outside, but I'm gonna try on some of my clothes first because I never pick out my clothes yet, and then yeah, and in order to do that, I have to cover my hair because I'm gonna continuously pull things over on and over it to see which one fits. So I gotta cover my hair for now. I should be able to just tie it. Okay, so now time for find some clothes, try on some clothes and see which one fits. Look, I have a bunch of things in here. I'm gonna know which one to put on. So I was thinking this, maybe this with a pants. So I have that. Which pants? I don't know if black would look good with it. Yeah. Or should I do like a skinny? Keep it cute because since that oversized, because the top is kind of oversized. Do a skinny jeans because that's something like my learning and my like a research when you put clothes together. And yeah, I think I'm gonna wear my boots. I'm not wearing a sneakers. Oop. I got my gents. We're gonna try them on and see which one work. We're gonna get there. Or a button down. But I think I'm gonna do the button down. Cause the button down I'm going with itself because like yeah, I have a little look with the skinny, but it's black and white. Like I feel like more on the color. I have the colored button down. It would be nice to be color, you know, have a little color on, but I'll just go ahead and do black and white. Okay, so I got the clothes and we're going to try on a few of them. One more and put on. So make us see how it go. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and I think I can start changing my clothes. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I tried on the leather pants and I don't even know if I get to see properly. I don't know if I'm gonna just get fit or show me that workout or what. But it just too around my knee. I think I'm gonna start with straight foot pants because around my knee is just a bit too. Oh, it's too clean. Gosh. You look nice, but I'm gonna take my hand to this today. But like I just feel like I don't want anything that close to my body. Okay, so this one isn't so tight around my knees. I'm showing you this. My beard already. Let me go tell him my beard.
When?
Maybe I could put on a different undershirt. Okay, of course I'm going to change the undershirt, but I think a white and black would work. Well, I don't know. Of course I'm going to change my brassiere. Change the undershirt. And dress this up. Let me take this off. I'm going to take this off. Tell you something, my boyfriend just grab for my one jeans and call it a day. Okay, so I like this top, I do, but I do not like the pants with it. I feel like the pants with it kind of throw it off, so maybe I change the pants, maybe do a skinny pants and still do my clogs like my boots. The pants is nice, but the shirt I feel comfortable. I'm gonna change my brassiere, change the pants and come back. Yeah, that might go. So I found this and I guess I don't know if I gain hips. Long time I know wear it still, but let's see. I feel like this shirt isn't for this. I feel like this should be for something more fitted. But me not care, me I wear it same way because I'm my own. I can't find out pants. This not look good with this. It doesn't at all. Nope. Maybe wear with this. Oh god, I didn't know what did it. And then I'm thinking about me wanting to use the bathroom. Take off my shirt now, see. The shirt don't make a difference. I want to wear this jumpsuit. Then I'm also thinking about the bathroom breaks and how I'm gonna have to strip to use the bathroom. I was gonna use a belt. I don't know. I feel like the shirt here. Not really. The green just kind of throw it off. This was on a black or what? Got a white shirt underneath it, so that might be. So since where I'm going is going to be cold, and I didn't like the green top with it, I decided to wear this top. Should I wash it first? No, usually I'm wash them first. Either way, let's try it on and see how it fits. Jump up in it. Look, alright. When in doubt, black long sleeve. I could put a belt around here. But I don't know belt to put around. I do have a belt, but I don't know if I want to put a belt on. Oh, probably a brown belt. Or probably can turn this to white. Either way, white, black, or the nude one we did wear one time underneath it works. But this is more comfortable. Is it comfortable though? Oh, it's up under my arm. May I wear it? I'm a little low, like. So now remember that long time I'm gonna buy the black lipstick and I was trying to do like a ombre look. Here's the look. What do you think? Wait, let me take a picture. Did it work? Like, did I get the ombre? The line is not perfect, but you know, I'm gonna try like a thing. I'm gonna like it. So I'm just gonna line it.
Not you.
But you know, like it. Pin. There's a pin that went to front and I stay back, so. And then the rest can go over it. And then I'm gonna do my face when I go on and need it. Camera in Alright, so how did it turn out? Even though it's black, it works. Yeah, the jumper work because I thought about where I go. So yeah, the jumper work. I'm gonna put on my sneakers. I'm good to go. I have to remember some I have this particular truth. So just have to go work, yeah. I'm ready. Put on my socks, put on my shoes, and I turn off the camera now. Next time I say anything else, we should be on the road.
Guys, ready? 3. Mario.
Sit down today.
Already.
Alright.
Wait, no, one. Alright.
And November 5th. What do you do on the next time? No, go on.
Pause.
Go on. Oh, they make joke on night time. Later.
Second of that, less than 4.
I did not say it.
Pass that.
Brother. Yeah, there you go. Put the thing for your forehead now, Papa. Yeah, there you go. Oh, she sing and she sound like Mariah Carey.
Justin Bieber X.
Oh, she sound like Mariah Carey. Yeah, no.
We not just did that a while ago.
Pick a different
We can different category.
Mad no talk.
The beans them.
Falls down.
You say it.
Pass.
Yeah,
It's green. It's green and it's on burgers.
Cucumbers.
Yeah.
Them
They kill them each other.
Shakespeare.
Yeah.
They're cheating.
Pink. Mystery.
It wasn't me?
No, mystery cartoon. Cartoon Network.
Yes. Them spin for win money.
And the man dead one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sian always put it
Over
over
there.
there.
Yes.
No, that wrong, you know. You say Ed. You can't say the word.
McDonald's
Hey,
popular
say
food.
that.
McDonald's popular food. McDonald's. No, one.
Dessert.